This is a brief video on how to set up Deluxe Maintenance Pool Kit. Take out all the parts from the box and check with the manual that you have all of the parts listed. Insert the debris bag into the vacuum body. Install the vacuum body cover onto the vacuum body. Turn the cover clockwise to securely lock it to the vacuum body. The kit comes with 2 types of head accessories. Attach the vacuum nozzle to pick up large particles like sand and stones. Attach the head brush to pick up small debris like dust and dead algae. Make sure the ridge on the head accessories aligns with the ridge on the vacuum body cover. Attach one end of vacuum hose to vacuum body. Make sure the vacuum hose end is covering the hose seal on the vacuum body. Squeeze the spring tips and attach the aluminum shaft onto the vacuum body. Adjust the length of the shaft by unlocking, extending, and locking each section. From inside the pool, unscrew the strainer grid, then screw on the adapter. Submerge the hose so that it fills up with water, then attach the hose to the adapter. Turn on the filter pump to turn on the vacuum. After use, disassemble and empty the debris bag, then reassemble. Detach vacuum from shaft and attach the brush head to scrub the pool liner floor and sidewalls. Attach the skimmer net. Skim the surface of the water for large debris. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.